Welcome to this walk around video. Today we do have this lovely 2016 66 Range Rover Autobiography. Now it is finished in the lovely Carpathian Grey metallic, and just to complement it you do get the black design pack. Moving around to the side, you get the 22-inch turbine alloy wheels with a nice shadow chrome finish, and as you can see it does come with the electrically deployable side steps as well. Moving around to the rear, you do have the rear privacy glass, and the black design pack continues with the tailgate finisher. Moving inside, so you do get the Meridian surround sound as standard on the Autobiography. It's full ebony Semi Aniline leather with your contrast cirrus door cards and fascias. Do get the leather headlining in this car, and obviously the sliding panoramic sunroof. Do get the factory fitted rear seat entertainment as well, and your controls for your heated and ventilated rear seats. Moving on into the front, so if we pay attention to the door cards, you do get the grand black veneer, as you can still see, in very good condition. You do of course get massage and memory front seats, which are heated and ventilated in the Autobiography, and you do get the heated leather steering wheel as well, which does have your adaptive cruise control functions on there. As you can see, this car has done just over 56,000 miles. You do get your TV, dual view, obviously your sat nav, surround cameras, etc., which is all standard on your Autobiography. You have your drinks cooler in there as well. Some other little bits, it does obviously have keyless entry, soft closed doors, all your Autobiography standard spec, but overall just a lovely example. So if you've got any more questions, please do contact us on 01423 33 11 33. Thank you.